Hello there. This is Kevin, Bluestone Apps. Today we're going to talk about the difference between iOS and Android so far as the number of users that are in each one. So, a lot of people think that iOS has a lot more users, especially if you are an iOS user. For some reason, that is even more drastically taken care of. But when we do app projects, we normally do both iOS and Android. And there's a good reason for that, because you might be surprised to know that it is not a drastic amount more of iOS users. Let me show you some charts. To some of you guys or girls, especially for iOS users, you might find this a little bit shocking to find out. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see right here that iOS has 57% and Android has 42. So, for all intents and purposes, it's about 50-50. Um, Obviously, if you're using Windows or anything else, there's such a small percent, it's not worth doing an app for that. But yeah, check that out. iOS 57, Android is 42. So if you're doing a mobile app project, then it's a great idea. It's highly recommended to do both iOS and Android. Otherwise, you're literally only getting half the audience. So if you just did iOS, you're missing 42% of the people. If you only did Android, you're missing 57. Like I said, it's 50-50. But however, here is a even more interesting statistic for those who prefer iOS over Android. Check out the worldwide statistics that I'm going to show you. Take a look at that. 71% Android. Wow, that's amazing. I had no idea myself just by doing this research. But 71% iOS, Android and only 27%. This is the worldwide. This is not just excluding United States. This is everybody. Android phones, a little bit less expensive to purchase, probably drives that up. But yeah, so that is even more evidence as to why you don't want to just do one. Um, you have 70% Android and iOS is only 21. That's worldwide. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Now, like I said, there is some edge cases. If you're doing a kiosk, let's say that has a built-in iPad, obviously you only need an iOS app in that case. Maybe you have a specific machine that you're providing a phone to somebody that's going to operate the machine, and they're all being provided iPhones or Androids. Well, that's a case that you would only need one app, maybe just an Android app. Or if your company supplies all of your representatives with an iPhone and they're just using it internally, that would be a good reason just for an iOS app. Otherwise, again, this is worldwide 71 to 27. Um, in the United States, 57 to 42. Like I said, 50-50. Um, so I wanted to share that with you. Thank you for taking the time to take a look at this. Let us know if you have any questions, anything relating apps or app development or app marketing. I'd be glad to answer your questions. Have a great day.